Hi, I'm Lisa Anderson with this week's Supply Chain Byte. So what's top of mind is supply chain security and resiliency. JP Morgan Chase just announced a $1.5 trillion investment into critical infrastructure to shore up security and resiliency. They're going to do so in 4 key areas. The first is supply chains and advanced manufacturing, and this includes rare earth critical minerals, a vital topic since China just shut off shipments to the U.S. for the second time this year, and they dominate the field. Number 2 is aerospace and defense, and this includes topics such as defense tech, drones, and autonomous systems. Number 3 is energy independence. Energy powers manufacturing, mining, and industrials. Number 4 is the future. AI, cyber, and quantum computing. So what should we be thinking about and doing? We must find a way to secure our end-to-end supply chains and build resiliency to ensure customer success and business results. We should start by looking at who are our supply chain partners. They no longer are considered vendors. They are not transactional. In fact, we should be looking at them as strategic partners. Remember, you are only as strong as the weakest link in your supply chain.